Howdy y'all, this is Dwight and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we'll be showing my 112th pocket knife that I finished. Here's my trapper pattern. Blade and back spring is CPM 154. Did a 400 grit hand finish on the blade. And I just did a belt 400 grit finish on the swedges there. The handle material is red burlap micarta, and I've got a brass shield with brass bolsters. Don't know if we can see, but I did an angle on the bolster there meeting up to the handle material, so it's trapping the handle material so I don't need that little pin next to the bolster to keep the handle material from popping up. I ain't got nothing against having that little pin there. It's just, I think it makes a nice clean look. Sometimes I'll use a pin and sometimes I'll do an angle. Did some file work there along the liners. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. I fresh sharpened this, so I'm being mighty careful with the blade edge. Has a nice walk and talk. I believe it's a nice medium pull. Very nice profile, nice and sleek. I believe this here will make a nice carry knife. And there we go. That's been a look at pocket knife 112. I appreciate y'all stopping by and taking a look. Till the next one, y'all take care.